welcome to the 2021 Australian Graduate of the Year Awards. I'm Viv O'Connell and it's my pleasure to co-host this, the Design Institute of Australia's flagship program for emerging designers. I'm joined today by my co-host and award-winning industrial designer, Tom Skehan. Tom, nice to see you.
Thanks, Viv. It's great to be back.
Great to have you. Well, to begin, we'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we're bringing you these announcements today, the Ngunnawal and Ngambri people, and pay respect to elders past, present and emerging. And we'd also like to extend that respect to all First Nations peoples across Australia. To the Design Institute's members, the award nominators and nominees, and indeed everyone joining us today, a very warm welcome to you all. Well, Tom, great to have you back. And you are, of course, a former GOTYA award recipient. Can I ask you to give us a sense of the significance of these awards and what it can mean to a graduate to be acknowledged in this way?
I think this is an incredible program. As an emerging creative, coming out into this first part of your career, it's very daunting. And having a program like the GOTYA Awards that connects you to industry and allows you to form relationships with mentors and kind of understand your own place, I think that's really valuable. A
very high calibre of entrants this year. The judges really had their work cut out for them. And I'd like to acknowledge the 22 judges who served across the state and the national judging panels. But can you give us a sense, what are they looking for in the entrants' work?
I think overall it's about the students understanding their pathway to industry and presenting really professional, well-considered work, thinking about the concept, its function, the presentation and above all sustainability.
Yep, sustainability always a key consideration. And I know this year COVID threw a couple of curveballs for the people who'd entered. They had to go through a process, which I understand is pretty similar to a speed dating kind of a scenario. And I know that the judges all wanted to acknowledge the exceptionally high calibre of those presentations and how professional the graduates were in presenting their work in that forum. But now you, I believe, have some pretty exciting news for the design sector in the ACT, is that right?
Yeah, I'm really proud today to announce that as of this year we're going to be rebooting the ACT chapter for the DIA. There's so many members here in Canberra that are part of the broader DIA community, and it's going to be great to actually establish the core group here that can support our members.
Well, great news for the ACT DIA members, Tom. Look forward to seeing what happens over the next year when that all revs up. And on that note, let's get underway with this message from the Design Institute of Australia's CEO, Joanne Kellogg.
Hi everyone and welcome. Did you know that our leading design practices closely monitor these awards to identify emerging talent and future design leaders? I'm sure there are a lot of nervous graduates and their educators waiting to hear these results. Since 1984, DIA has recognised the accomplishments of students. In 2005, we transformed the program into the Graduate of the Year Awards, something that we affectionately refer to as the GOTYAs. It's an important program in that it brings together emerging designers, our most respected educators and design leaders from leading practices. This year we had an impressive 173 nominations from 16 institutions and 40 design departments. We also introduced categories for diploma and degree qualifications. We would like to thank the 24 judges who took time out to assess and interview the 57 shortlisted candidates. It's actually a significant achievement to be nominated for these awards, as we ask the educators to select their best students. All nominees receive a certificate which will be mailed to them shortly. Winners receive both a certificate and a trophy, which was this year produced by the Barrett Group in Queensland. We also offer mentorships and a DIA membership to the winners. We're hoping with the lifting of COVID restrictions that this year we'll be able to present our winners with their prizes in person at gatherings in each state, hosted by our program partner, Stylecraft. Thank you to all those who have supported the 2021 GOTYAs. Best of luck everyone, and over to you, Tom and Viv, in the studio.
Thanks, Joanne. So the Australian Graduate of the Year Awards are proudly supported by Stylecraft. They've provided the set furniture that we're on here today, and they're an amazing supporter of Australian design. I believe they're actually hosting viewing parties in Adelaide and Perth, so a huge shout out to everyone watching.
That's absolutely right. Hope everyone's having a good time there. And we'll actually be hearing from Jamie Sinclair, Stylecraft's ACT manager, just a little later. But in the meantime, we have a very big evening ahead of us. We'll start with announcing the National Graduates of the Year across 7 design disciplines. The nominees have all won this award within their discipline at state and territory branch level, and they've then been shortlisted by the national judging panels. We then have the 5 branch winners to announce, one of whom will then be awarded the highest honour bestowed on a graduate by the Design Institute of Australia, the Madeline Leicester Award. Well, our envelopes are ready, so let's get underway. Well, the first category is fashion design, where the judges were assessing wearable applications, looking for designs that included a focus on functional and aesthetic aspects, and that paid particular attention to the relationship of the apparel to the human form. Sustainable design practices were also a key focus.
All right, so let's take a look at the 5 nominees for the Australian Fashion Design Graduate of the Year.
Gisela Candy from University of Technology, Sydney. Lily Murgard from QUT. Liam Ramirez from RMIT University. Hannah Altinia from North Metropolitan TAFE. And Emily Cooper from Curtin University.
So I have 2 envelopes here with me, starting with the award for merit going to Liam Ramirez from RMIT University. Congratulations. And the winner of the 2021 Australian Fashion Design Graduate of the Year is Gisela Candy from University of Technology, Sydney.
A well-deserved winner in a competitive field, the jury was impressed by Gisela's strong folio presentation and her explanation of developing and making work, especially around sustainability. Possessing a strong philosophy around practice and approaches to working with materials, her work blurs traditional archetypes and binaries, moving these rigid ideas to an increasingly inclusive space. Gisela had a clear sense of her aesthetic and a responsibility towards the industry, championing consumer education on fast fashion and transparency across production lines. Congratulations, Gisela!
You are also the national winner of Fashion and Textiles for Graduate. So congratulations.
No, you can't do this to me.
Really, it's so well deserved. Congratulations, Gisela. I'm thrilled for you, really.
Oh my gosh. Thank God I looked at my phone. I was on my way to get a fabric click and collect order.
Sorry, we wouldn't reschedule, but I'm so happy that I'm just thrilled for you, and congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God, I don't even know what to do now. I need a mimosa.
Congratulations once again, Gisela. And now to furniture design, defined as movable object applications. The judges were looking for designs that considered human usage and behaviour, product appeal, aesthetics and sustainable design practices. And Tom, over to you for the announcement.
And the winner of the 2021 Australian Furniture Design Graduate of the Year is Balaji Teniola from the RMIT University.
The driving force behind Balaji's approach is to design and develop products that benefit people and the planet. Inspired by the materials, techniques and processes he was exposed to during his time overseas, including the Netherlands and Indonesia, his work evokes a sense of curiosity and wonder, displaying a clear and innovative understanding of conceptual ideas. Balaji presented a mix of concept development, technical drawing options and prototypes. He was a standout candidate in a very tight field of nominees and displayed a clear understanding of the skills required in the commercial marketplace. Congratulations, Balaji Teniola.
Because you've won the Vic Taz Award, you were put forward for the National Award. Oh, wow.
furniture design in Australia. And we're glad to tell you that you've actually won that award as well.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations.
Yay! So well deserved.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Well
actually.
done.
You know, couldn't have done it without all of you, and more, to be honest. Definitely
2020 was quite hard, wasn't it? And
yeah. But I appreciate, you know, all the effort and work all of you put in, as well as, you know, everyone else, you know, Tom, who was in here as well, and so many others. Really appreciate all the effort that you guys put in making it possible.
congratulations.
Yay!
And now on to industrial and product design, which includes object, light fixtures or packaging applications. In this category, the judges were looking for designs focused on ergonomic, functional and aesthetic aspects, human usage and behaviour.
So let's take a look at the 5 nominees in this category.
Simon Lockwood from North Metropolitan TAFE. Anthony Franco from UNSW. Alexander Everston from Queensland University of Technology. Shu Yun Lam from University of South Australia. And Tim Lutton from RMIT. And Tom, you have the envelope.
The 2021 Australian Industrial Product Design Graduate of the Year award goes to Tim Lutton from the RMIT University.
In what is always a strong field, the jury was struck by Tim's passion for design and his research-based approach, seeking to understand and experience a problem to propose a design solution. Tim's strengths in sketching, prototyping and testing were evident, along with strong conceptual thinking, continual iteration and stakeholder engagement, all displayed in a clear graphic manner, and the 3 projects he presented had a strong understanding of user-centred design and designing for the circular economy. Congratulations, Tim Lutton.
That means so much to me. Oh wow.
I'm so proud of you, Tim. It's so wonderful.
Thank you. Well, I couldn't have done it without you for a start. So
I was chatting to Bernadette last week, and I was telling her about your broken arms.
Oh really?
You actually had to finish this project with 2, not 1, but 2 broken arms.
Yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. Oh, wait. So I'm #1 product design graduate in Australia.
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Cool. I'm lucky I had a collared shirt on then. Oof.
No, I was like, where's the Hawaiian shirt, Tim?
Yeah, I know.
Two broken arms. That's pretty crazy, isn't it?
That's an incredible achievement. Unbelievable.
Yeah, stellar effort there, Tim. Congratulations once again, very well deserved. Well, the next category is interior decoration, covering residential, commercial or retail applications. And the judges' focus here was on sustainable design practices and the consideration of surface decoration, including colour applications in paint, fabric and furnishings, and overall lighting plans. So, Tom, how many nominees in this category?
There are 3. Let's take a look at who's in the running.
Ike Sonder from TAFE New South Wales, Alicia Muratoglu from Torrens University Australia, and Joanne Odisho from RMIT University. Over to you, Tom.
The judging panel have presented an award of merit to Ike Sonder from TAFE New South Wales. Congratulations, Ike. And the winner of the 2021 Interior Decoration Graduate of the Year goes to Joanne Odisho from the RMIT University. Congratulations.
Joanne presented as a well-rounded, work-ready graduate with a distinctive approach to creating spaces that evoke a sense of joy for the user. Installation art, 3D forms and a strong sense of spatial understanding was evident in every project, including innovative ways to utilise natural materials and promote sustainable development. Her work displays a well-considered intellectual depth and rigour to research, which is evident in all her design solutions. Congratulations, Joanne Odisho.
You have won the national category as well in the interior decoration section. So you are a state winner and a national winner. So that is absolutely amazing. You have competed across the whole nation, and you are the winner as the Graduate of the Year 2021 in interior decoration.
It's all a bit much to take in, isn't it? But
I just was never it.
So that hard work has definitely paid off now. So yeah.
Yeah. That's definitely motivation to keep going and confidence boost. I couldn't have done anything without all of the guidance from the teachers and everything. It's just, wow.
So congratulations. Well done.
Congratulations once again, Joanne. And now to interior design, covering residential, commercial or retail applications. The judges were looking for designs that considered and resolved the treatment of space and spatial volume, structural requirements, traffic flow, furniture, fixtures, furnishings, overall lighting plans, surface finishes, and of course, sustainable design practices. And Tom, how many nominees do we have in this category?
There are 5 nominees in the Australian Interior Design Graduate of the Year, and they are
Isabel Klein from UNSW, Nadia Dubril from QUT, Brooke Bartolik from University of South Australia, Madeline Day from Swinburne University of Technology, and Angela Scarano from North Metropolitan TAFE. And Tom, I think we have 2 announcements here.
an Award of Merit of Interior Design goes to Madeline Day, Swinburne University of Technology. Congratulations, Madeline. And the winner of the Australian Interior Design Graduate of the Year Award is Isabel Klein from UNSW.
Isabel presented as an outstanding graduate, demonstrating a mature grasp on the briefs that were set, followed through with meticulous research, processes, creative resolutions and impressive presentation skills. The judges were also impressed by her conceptually excellent, socially topical and dynamic presentation that invited the viewer to read more. Isabel is a designer to watch with enthusiasm, showing a powerful combination of capturing the essence of human behaviour while allowing the visual representation of an interior to challenge the norm while being functionally practical. Congratulations, Isabel Klein.
And we're delighted to let you know that you're the national recipient of the 2021 Interior Design Graduate of the Year.
Wait, what?
Yes.
Wait, are you sure?
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to start crying. Really? Whew, okay. I don't know if I haven't eaten enough, but I'm shaking. It could be the COVID vaccine, I don't know. Okay. I think it's really special because it's always like, you know your teachers love your work because they've been with you for 4 years. So you're like, okay, they like me, they like the work, that's great. So it's always nice to get external recognition as well, because after looking at your work for so long, you're like, oh, is it really okay? And then to get this sort of external recognition sort of solidifies that, you've done it right, you've done pretty good. So it's very exciting.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations once again, Isabel. And now to textile design, which includes fabric applications for use in furniture, soft furnishings, clothing, vehicles, finishes, plastics, or other products. In addition to sustainable design practices, the jurors were looking for designs that considered aesthetic and functional aspects, materials, weights, and textures.
There are 3 nominees for this category for the Australian Textile Design Graduate of the Year. Let's take a look at the contenders.
David Ward from TAFE New South Wales, Hannah Nam from QUT, and Sophie Yenken from RMIT University. Well, 3 great shortlisted entrants there.
And the winner of the 2021 Australian Textile Design Graduate of the Year award goes to Sophie Yenkin, RMIT University. Congratulations.
Sophie presented as a standout candidate with a solid folio showcasing highly creative, authentic and innovative work that explores embellishment, pattern and intensely saturated colour from nature. The intricacy of the pieces and delicate approach was balanced by strength with the fabrics and choice in materiality, and she addressed sustainability through repurposing and reducing, showcasing a unique range of garments sourced from existing materials. Currently working, Sophie has a great future ahead of her, and the judging panel looks forward to seeing her career progress. Congratulations, Sophie Yenkin.
And I'm also thrilled to announce to you that the jury was again unanimous in selecting you the winner as the national winner. The national design winner.
Oh
my God. Congratulations. Well done.
Yes.
Oh my God. That's insane. It was an awesome experience and I really enjoyed kind of applying for this program because I was able to kind of wrap up my uni degree, like especially because of COVID, we kind of didn't get to see everything properly at the end. So yeah, it was really nice to kind of reflect on that as well, which was, yeah, really nice. I'm shocked. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again, Sophie. The next announcement is for visual communications design, including 2D text, symbol or picture-based applications. The judges were looking for sustainable design practices, designs that had particular emphasis on clarity of communication, the matching of information styles to audience requirements, and the application of evolving technologies in visual communication.
So there are 5 graduates on the shortlist. Let's take a look.
Madeline Chan from University of Technology, Sydney. Hannah Bryce from Griffith University. Brian Bellardo from University of South Australia. Erin McConnell from Swinburne University of Technology. And Annabelle Cressy from North Metropolitan TAFE. And Tom is opening the envelope.
Oh wow. The Australian Visual Communications Design Graduate of the Year is jointly awarded to Madeline Chan from the University of Technology, Sydney, and Erin McConnell from Swinburne University of Technology. Congratulations to you both.
Madeline Chan is a strong visual communicator, presenting projects that were mature beyond her years. Her love of design is evident in the quality of her work, executing exceptionally well-considered, refined and balanced designs. And having already won numerous awards, Madeline has a strong future ahead of her. Joint winner Erin McConnell has developed strong practical skills, including user research, user experience and interface design, and human-centred design. She displays a keenness to continually learn and is interested in using design and technology to deliver thoughtful solutions to affect social and environmental causes. A multi-award winner, she is also an invited member of the International Society of Typographic Designers. Congratulations, Madeline Chan and Erin McConnell.
You won in New South Wales and you're also the joint national winner.
I don't believe it. That's crazy. I was like ready to answer more questions.
And if there's anyone you want to thank, if there's anyone...
Well, firstly, of course, Zoe. Yeah, she was amazing throughout the whole of last year, and just from the point of just, you know, actually doing the honours work to being like, what are you guys going to do next? What are you guys going to do afterwards? And yeah, just all rounder, really great. Of course, all the other people in my cohort, because we all had to go through it together. Yeah. Which made it was very different because that was the first year of the pandemic as well. So it was very new having to do everything online, but we made it work. It was really great. Yeah, I think they're like the main people. Family, of course, because they're always there supporting me.
I'm also pleased to announce, on behalf of DIA, that you're the joint winner of the Australian Visual Communication Design Graduate of the Year. So a double whammy.
Is there anyone you wanted to thank or anything you wanted to say, or are you just a bit in shock?
I'm a bit taken aback, I suppose. This wasn't what I was expecting at all. But yeah, a nice surprise. Well, I suppose all the staff at Swinburne who've helped throughout the whole course, everyone's always been great, particularly Nikki and Anthony. They've been there from the beginning, from our first year through the last year. They've always been so supportive, and I think just on reflection from that first year, I can see how much I've grown. Swinburne have been amazing. Just the course is so great. The industry placement was such an awesome opportunity. I think that really put me in good stead moving into the workforce after graduating.
Oh, well done, Erin. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Madison and Erin. Well, the next announcements are for the State and Territory Branch Design Graduates of the Year. All successful state-based winners are considered for these awards. So, without any further ado, Tom, would you like to do the honours?
Thank you. The New South Wales ACT Design Graduate of the Year is Isabel Klein from UNSW. The Queensland Design Graduate of the Year is Alexander Everston from QUT. The SANT Design Graduate of the Year is Brian Bilardo from the University of South Australia. The Vic Taz Design Graduate of the Year is Balaji Teniola from RMIT University. And the WA Design Graduate of the Year is Angela Scarano from North Metropolitan TAFE. Wow, a huge congratulations to all the State and Territory Branch winners.
Well, and now to the final announcement, the Madeline Leicester Award. All of the State and Territory Branch winners we've just announced are considered for this award. Madeline Leicester made an exceptional contribution to the design profession, to academia and design practice in Australia and internationally. She contributed selflessly and strategically to the global design profession and advised, supported and mentored many. Her memory lives on in the naming of the highest honour awarded in the GOTYA program, a program she loved and for which she was such an outstanding advocate.
And now to say a few words and announce this year's recipient, I'd like to hand over to Jamie Sinclair, Stylecraft's ACT Manager.
Thanks, Tom. Stylecraft are proud to be the exclusive sponsor of the DIA Graduate of the Year Awards for the second year. Supporting emerging talent in Australia and recognising excellence in the industry aligns with our strong focus of working with local designers, including Tom. Congratulations to all the GOTYA finalists and winners. And now to the announcement of the Madeline Leicester Award. And the winner is Isabel Klein from UNSW. Congratulations.
Actually, my pleasure to tell you that you've been awarded this year's Madeline Leicester Award.
No. Take one more. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Really?
Yes, really.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm not sure what to say. I wasn't expecting any of this. You guys have done it again.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It's a credit to you, and I look forward to watching your career in the industry and see how you progress.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm seriously lost for words, and I'm so grateful that you recognise my first year project as well, because that was a bit of a risk putting it in there because it wasn't really like polished as your grad work is, but I thought it was, you know, a testament to my thinking as a first year student and the project as a whole. So I really appreciate your kind words, but thank you to Michael as well, because Michael actually took me for my very first year of architecture and my very final year, so it's pretty amazing. And Madeline Leicester, of course, you know, it's an honour to be recognised under a name such as hers, and you know, I hope to sort of make her proud. You know, we both, I think, share the same values of bettering the human experience in the built environment, so I hope I can do that and make her proud within the industry, so it's very exciting.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm very excited. I kind of just needed this push as well to figure out what I want to do, and because I'm kind of in limbo at the moment about going back to uni and going into the industry, so I think this is what I need.
Well done.
Sussing, thank you. Oh my god.
Well done.
Congratulations once again, Isabel. And that brings the 2021 Australian Graduate of the Year Awards to a close. On behalf of the DIA, I'd like to personally thank all the nominators and the jurors and congratulate all the entrants and award recipients.
And I'd like to say a very big thank you once again to Stylecraft, the exclusive GOTYA program partner, for their support of the program and for providing our set furniture today. And I hope everyone at the Stylecraft viewing parties is having a fantastic time. Just a note, if you'd like to know more about the nominees and the winners, you can head on over to the DIA website. Well, Tom, it's been quite an evening. Have you had a good time?
It's been great to be back. Love it.
Great. Well, thanks for joining me. Hopefully we can do this again next year, hey?
Absolutely.
And on that note, I'd like to thank you for joining us in this celebration of the best in design disciplines across Australia's tertiary institutions. It's been a pleasure for both of us to be your host today. Take care, stay safe, and have a great evening.